there everyone, this is Melissa from DJ Event Planner. Today we're covering the changelog topics from November 2nd through November 30th, 2020. To begin, we will look at the features that have been added with this update. We have added new employee email template merge tags for available upcoming events. These can be found by going to Setup, Emails, then the Employee button at the top. The new merge tags can be found under the Merge Tags button here at the bottom. The e-signature link tracking feature now includes information once the client e-signed the document and will show how many seconds they reviewed the document. Please note, this information will not show up on contracts that were signed prior to the release of this update. We have added new reports for inquiry sources. To see these, go to Reports, then Inquiry Source. We have added a chart view. You will have 5 options to view and also can choose to filter your options further by clicking on the Filter Options button here. Here you can change filters for all events or specific date ranges, event status, event types, whether it will show known or unknown inquiries, and you can choose the minimum number of events shown. We have also added a year-to-year summary report, which shows in pie chart form, and we've added a year-to-year detailed report. This report shows in list view and lists the name of the inquiry source and how often it was used within a given year. For the Request Information form and the Contact Us form, we've added a new setting which allows users to enable or disable the form entirely. To enable/disable this feature, go to Website Tools, Request Information form or Contact form, then Settings. At the top of the Settings page, you will have the ability to toggle enabled or disabled for this tool. Having the ability to enable or disable your forms is helpful if you find that you are receiving a large amount of spam submissions and you want to disable use of the form. We have added the ability to delete old evaluation forms based on date. Go to Setup, Data Cleaner. Under the Website Tools heading on the right, look for Evaluation Forms, Delete Old Submitted Forms, then choose Select Date. Make sure you choose carefully. Once you choose a date, all evaluation forms prior to that date will be deleted. We have added a new feature where you can mark multiple events to be paid. Go to Financial, Payments, then Past Due. Place a check mark in front of any past due amounts you would like to pay, then click Mark Selected as Paid. You will then select if the payment date is the event date, if you're entering a payment that was given to you at the event, or today's date, if you want the payment to reflect the date the payment was entered. On the new Dashboard Builder page, under Setup, Application, Dashboard, we have added next week options for some of the top block values, including revenue for booked events and booked status events. And we have added a setting to set the payment gateway option on a per event basis. To set this, go to your event list, choose the event in question, then navigate to the Planning tab. Click Edit in the right corner of the page, and on the right side of the page, look for Payment Processor. Make sure you have settings in place for the processor you choose by going to Website Tools, Payment Gateway, Settings. Click to allow multiple gateways, then choose the ones you want to enable here. Now on to the changes that have been taken place in this time period. The Request for Information inbox message was updated with some additional information about the submitting IP address. Look for this in the Tracking Details section at the bottom of each Request for Information message. When you have a custom field in the Internet section on the Event Report page, the information should now show as hyperlinks within the event. The merge tags used for vendors are now more flexible, accounting for underscores or spaces and regular capitalization or all caps for the names. On the Events Edit page, upon auto add-on assignment, the deposit updated to notification block no longer runs multiple times. This will prevent the screen from filling up if multiple add-ons are automatically assigned when selecting a package. We have added additional IP tracking information for request for information and contact us inbox message details. And we have also added additional anti-spam measures for the Contact Us form within website tools. And finally, we've made various UI tweaks and improvements across the software for mobile devices, as well as some report pages. And finally, here are the items that were fixed during this update, November 2nd through November 30th, 2020. As always, you can find the latest updates to our changelog by logging into your DJ Event Planner account and clicking on the Support Options button on the left-hand menu. You can now view the changelog in full window view by clicking on View the Changelog option.